Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm sharing one of the easiest and most delicious pasta dishes you can make at home, spaghetti aglio e olio. This classic Italian recipe is proof that simple ingredients can create big flavors. If you love quick dinners that feel gourmet but only take a few pantry staples, this is the recipe for you. Not only is spaghetti aglio e olio budget-friendly and fast to prepare, but it's also a great way to impress your family or guests without spending hours in the kitchen. So grab your apron and let's get cooking this incredible spaghetti aglio e olio together. Before we start, here's everything you'll need for this recipe. 1 pound of dried spaghetti, half a cup of good quality olive oil, 6 cloves of garlic, thinly sliced, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, or more if you like, extra heat, 1/4 cup of freshly chopped Italian parsley, 1 cup of finely grated Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese. That's it, 6 simple ingredients that transform into something absolutely delicious. All right, let's dive into making spaghetti aglio e olio step by step. Step 1, cook the spaghetti. First, bring a large pot of lightly salted water to a rolling boil. Adding salt not only seasons the pasta, but also helps bring out its flavor. Once your water is boiling, add the spaghetti. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking, and cook it until it's al dente, which usually takes about 10 to 12 minutes. Al dente means the pasta is tender, but still has a slight bite. This texture is perfect because it will absorb the garlic-infused oil later on. Tip: reserve about a cup of the pasta cooking water before draining. This starchy water helps loosen the sauce and coat the pasta evenly if it feels too dry. Step 2, prepare the garlic and oil. While the spaghetti is cooking, heat your olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Make sure you use a high-quality olive oil because it's the star of this dish. Add your thinly sliced garlic to the warm oil. Stir gently and watch it carefully. Garlic can burn quickly and turn bitter. Cook it until it's fragrant and golden, which should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Step 3, add the red pepper flakes. Next, sprinkle in the red pepper flakes and cook for about 30 seconds. This quick step releases the pepper's flavor into the oil, giving your spaghetti aglio e olio just the right amount of heat. Step 4, combine the pasta and sauce. Turn off the heat so the garlic doesn't overcook. Drain your spaghetti and add it straight into the skillet with the garlic and oil. If the pasta seems dry, drizzle in a bit of the reserved cooking water. This helps bind everything together into a silky sauce. Step 5, add parsley and cheese. Toss in the freshly chopped Italian parsley and sprinkle the grated Parmigiano-Reggiano cheese on top. Use tongs or 2 forks to mix everything thoroughly, making sure each strand of spaghetti is coated in the fragrant garlic oil. Tip: you can taste and adjust the seasoning here. If you'd like, add a pinch of salt or more cheese to make it even richer. Step 6, serve and enjoy. Serve the spaghetti aglio e olio warm, with extra cheese on the side. It's best enjoyed fresh when the pasta is hot, and the flavors are vibrant. What makes spaghetti aglio e olio so special is how effortlessly it combines flavor and simplicity. The garlic oil seeps into every bite, while the red pepper flakes give it a subtle kick. Using fresh parsley and real Parmigiano-Reggiano makes a huge difference